Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Pad Go, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that's the case for you, meaning content is visible on your screen that you want to capture, simply hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have a sound along with a pop-up with scroll and share options visible, and after a moment this will disappear. Once it does so, you can find the captured screenshot in your Photos application. By default, you will be located in the Photos tab, which the actual photo will appear here, or screenshot. But if you want to find your screenshot later on down the line, then it might be easier to navigate into the albums, and in here navigate to screenshot album, and in here you'll find screenshots along with also screen recordings. That's why there is one with a timer. But here is a screenshot that I have captured just a moment ago. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.